I'm coming.
Isabella, my baby. Salty.
The relentless chaser. What was the intention? Was it for her to snooze?
You moved from one point to the other and you kept on moving. So to me, I don't think you are in any position to tell me about how to go about if I'm chasing somebody.
Hey, wait, it's just in asking that question. Really? Jason, really? Like, the fact that Kola came with Hurricane in a fist fight, I think is the best response for this Jason's question to him. I mean, guy, you were just literally all over the place and you were just loyal to one particular person. He's a one-man guy. You shouldn't even be asking that question. I like the fact that he took responsibility of his actions. Do you get? But I feel in all this interview that he was actually pained that, you know, Dede phased out of his circle, his friendship. He missed that friendship. So he was actually using Sultana to, you know, gauge himself in the house. If you ask me from the interview, look at what he said there, that if it was just Dede that he built the friendship, he wouldn't have messed up. So who would say that kind of thing if he don't actually miss his friendship with Dede? So Dede created a huge impact in that show. If you ask me, she played it the other way around. Instead of a guy doing that, she's not the one making guys to be in the circle. Hey, let's see what people have to say about this. So this person said, great response, Kola. Dede the topic. Good answer, Kola. I mean, I like the fact that Kola respects the way and the standards Dede kept herself in the house. This person said, trust my Kola to give them hot. Una the poor king of Wasbos. Kola is give and take. They play with Kola mouth. God bless you, Kola. Because it was just, Jason was just trying to shoot himself at his foot. I don't think he actually knows he did that. You're just angry that he happened to be close with, you know, Dede. Then this person said, God bless you, Kola. I can't wait for reunion, seriously. This person said, Dede the fairy godmother. So I feel like Jason missed that friendship he has with Dede. Even Koyin himself, I feel like Koyin also missed the friendship too. So this next person said, Dede the fairy godmother. Okay, if them no beat themselves for reunion, make I see why. Me, I'm actually waiting for the reunion because if I say the thing will come soon, as everybody just the on rap. So this person said, we told Kola's fans, or your guy has confirmed it again. Dede is that girl and she remains that girl. Jason asked him one question he didn't answer. What were your intentions? To make her snooze or to make her leave her man? Kola excused that part. Women with standards always win. All you ladies shouting Kola hating on Dede. Your guy has once again borrowed your brain. You forever respect the star girl Dede. Hugs to you all. I don't know what Jason tends to get with the response he is expecting from Kola. The show is over. I believe by now they should just move on. And if he's still interested in the friendship, is to have a conversation with Dede. So this person said, Dede, 1 in a million, a woman that commands respect for herself. Kola thought it was Dede that was going to go at him during media rounds. Jason said, hold my beer. As in like I don't even understand. So when he Sandy, they said, I actually like Kola. He was too entertaining, such a vulnerable guy. He was brought up in love. One Wasabi fan now came and said, are you aware he said bad things about you because of Sean? So I like the response that Wani Sandy returned to the person. He's like, I don't care. We only vibe to positive vibes over here. You're like, no vex, man. I crossed my boundaries. Indeed, you crossed because some of you fans don't like minding your business. I don't know what you tend to gain from this kind of conversation with people. So, but something took me out when I saw it. This particular oracle. So he said something. He gave award of the season. He said Queen of Season Imisi, Man of the Season Coin, Best Male Drip Kola, Energy of the Season Rude Boy, Most Boring Housemate Bright Morgan, Best Dressed Female Housemate Telma, Manipulator of the Season Dede, Furniture of the Season Ivata. Before nothing, K Bobo. Please, guys, Tell me what to think in this thing this guy wrote. By the way, this was how your faves dripped. I mean, some of your faves during the day 2 of the, media rounds. Tell me what to think about what that guy used to say a lot of things during Big Brother, and see you guys in my next video.